If you want to connect Paperform with Mailchimp so every new form submission can automatically add a subscriber to your email list, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full setup step by step so you can connect the two tools quickly and avoid missing any important settings. This is a super useful workflow if you collect leads, signups, registrations, or newsletter subscribers through a Paperform form. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. First, go to your Paperform dashboard. This is where you'll create and manage the form that will connect to Mailchimp. Once you're inside, click Create a Form. Paperform gives you a few ways to start, but for this tutorial, we want a fresh setup, so choose Start from Scratch. That gives you a blank form that you can customize however you want before connecting it to your email marketing account. Once your form is ready, look for the After Submission settings. This is the area where you decide what happens after someone fills out and submits the form. Since we want to send the information into Mailchimp, this is the right place to set up the automation. Click on After Submission and then Open Integrations and Webhooks. This section controls the apps and services Paperform can connect to after a form is completed. Now you'll see a list of available integrations. Find and click Mailchimp. Paperform will then show you the Mailchimp action options. For this setup, select Add Subscriber to a list. That is the option you want if your goal is to collect leads and send them directly into a specific Mailchimp audience or list. After selecting that action, you'll need to connect your Mailchimp account. Click Add Account Plus. This will open the login flow for Mailchimp. Enter your Mailchimp account details and sign in. If you're already logged in, Paperform may move you straight to the permission screen. This step is important because it authorizes Paperform to send new subscriber data into your Mailchimp account on your behalf. Once you're prompted, click Allow. That gives Paperform access to complete the integration. After that, you may need to choose the specific list or audience inside Mailchimp where new subscribers should be added. Make sure you select the correct one, especially if you manage multiple lists for different campaigns or lead magnets. If Paperform asks you to map form fields, take a moment to review those carefully. This is where you match things like name, email address, or any other form response to the correct Mailchimp field. This part matters because proper field mapping helps keep your subscriber data organized and ensures your automation works the way you expect. Once everything looks good, click Finish Setup. At this point, your Paperform form is now connected to Mailchimp. From here on, whenever someone submits the form, their information can be added to your Mailchimp list automatically. That means less manual work for you and a smoother experience for your audience. Before you wrap up, it's always a good idea to test the form once if possible. Submit a sample entry and check whether the contact appears in Mailchimp. A quick test can save you time and help you catch any mapping issues before you start sending traffic to the form. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Paperform with Mailchimp. Now, your form submissions can flow directly into your email marketing list, making it much easier to grow your audience and automate your lead capture process. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.